by the Human Resources website. Okay, wait for the opening time. Now, as a summarized under general supervision, performs routine tests in medical laboratory to provide data for use in diagnosis and treatment of disease, ensuring validity and accuracy of test results. Duties and responsibilities. A medical laboratory technologist collects, processes, and handles blood or other biological specimens according to established procedures, instructs patients in the proper collection of samples, performs a variety of clinical laboratory tests in the areas of hematology, microbiology, immunology, clinical chemistry, and urinalysis as assigned, conducts quantitative and qualitative chemical analysis of body fluids such as blood, urine, spinal fluid, performs blood counts using microscope, conducts blood tests for transfusion purposes, may draw blood from patient's finger, earlobe, or vein, observing principles of asepsis to obtain blood samples. Develops and maintains cell tissue cultures for testing purposes as appropriate, isolates and identifies specimens using advanced laboratory techniques, performs quality control on test results, ensuring validity and accuracy, performs calibration and troubleshooting on testing systems and instruments to ensure adherence to established standards of accuracy, keeps records and reports on results according to established procedures, practices safety, environmental, or infection control methods, performs miscellaneous job related duties as assigned. Minimum job requirements for the medical lab technologist: successful completion of at least 60 college level credit hours, including 6 semester hours of biology and 6 semester hours of chemistry, no experience required. Certification CRA ASCP certification or completion of accredited MLT program or military med lab training course, or 3 years of acceptable clinical lab experience, or MLT certification, completed degree from an accredited institution that are above the minimum education requirement may be substituted for experience on a year for your basics, knowledge, skills, and abilities that are required being a medical laboratory technologist. Ability to maintain quality, safety, and or infection control standards. Ability to prepare and process laboratory samples using established protocols. Ability to monitor or maintain quality control standards. Records maintenance skills, ability to perform a range of clinical laboratory tests and chemical analysis on biological samples, knowledge of related accreditation and certification requirements, ability to draw intravenous and peripheral blood, knowledge of laboratory and experimental protocols and procedures, knowledge of tissue culture procedures and techniques, ability to utilize, calibrate, configure, and or troubleshoot laboratory testing systems and instruments, ability to isolate and identify specimens using advanced laboratory techniques and equipments, knowledge of sterile procedures. Conditions of employment. Being employed, you must require a successful candidate must submit to post-offer pre-employment physical examination and medical history checkup. Must maintain certification status. Working conditions and physical effort. Light physical effort requires handling of average weight objects up to 10 pounds or some standing or walking. Work environment involves exposure to potentially dangerous materials and situations that require following extensive safety precautions and may include the use of protective equipment. Work may involve moderate exposure to unusual elements such as extreme temperatures, dirt, dust, fumes, smoke, unpleasant odors, and or loud noises.